Hi, my name is Michelle Irwin, and this week I will be giving you some insight over the hemp plant. Yes, hemp plants aren't known for the best, but the hemp plant's really good and it's really useful. We have a lot of things that hemp can be used for that a lot of people don't really know about. So, the point of my speech is to help you get an insight on what all we can use it for. The first thing, well, paper. We can get paper from hemp plants. Surprising, right? But sadly, it's more expensive to make paper out of hemp, so only 0.05% of hemp is used for paper. But we've been using paper from hemp for over 2,000 years now. Another thing that hemp's used for is clothes. Surprising, right? Clothes. But we can make headbands, necklaces, pants, shirts, shoes, anything you can think of, we could probably make it out of hemp if it's clothing-wise. I myself own a pair of hemp shoes. Cute as ever. But another thing hemp can be used for is fuel. Yeah, surprising, right? But fuel, if you boil it down, you can make biodiesel, and you can also make liquid gas. We don't use it because the government doesn't allow it yet. But hopefully in the future they will, instead of using up all of our natural resources when the hemp plant grows at a very fast rate. We can make plenty of liquid gas with it. Another thing hemp's really good for is cleanups, like contamination cleanups. Say if the ground has chemicals and it's really contaminated, plant hemp there, which it grows, like I said, really fast. It can clean up sewage spills, sludge, heavy metals, any debris and the contamination in the ground. It can get rid of it. Also, building supplies. Weird, right? But fiberboard, pressboard, insulation, yet we don't really use it in America yet. In Netherlands and Ireland, they use hemp there for all of that stuff. They insulate their house with it, which insulation's pretty expensive, I'm pretty sure. But hemp, no. It's a more safe way to insulate your house. It's really helpful. Also, food and drinks. The hemp plant is not the plant itself, but the seed is 1/3 part oil. That oil can be used for food. It's 100% edible, and it's really, really good for your body. It's really good for your hair and your skin. They also make it into lotions. All sorts of neat things. Hemp is a really good plant, and it's really good for you. So as you can see, there's tons of ways to use hemp, but sadly, our government doesn't allow it. You have to have a permit from the DEA, which takes a long time to get. Not a long time, as long as you're persistent, but it takes some time to get the permit, and it's a lot of work. So most people don't grow their own hemp, but if you can grow your own hemp, you can do so many things with it, and it's such a good, just a good plant. Good way to use it. Well, that's all I have for you today, and I hope you see how helpful hemp can be now. So, thank you.